everyone, my name is Audrey Cox and I am a member of Girl Scout Troop 1403. I am currently working on my Gold Award, which is to make 6 tutorials of different crafts for different months of the year. This project was originally started by 3 members of Girl Scout Troop 1231. They came up with these craft ideas while they were working on their Silver Award project. You can find these craft kits at the Carmel Clay Public Library. Be sure to stop by and pick up your free kit and to check out all the great books, movies, and music while you're there. This month's craft is the water bottle wind spiral. Remove your lid and label from the bottle and wash it. With your scissors, remove the flat bottom of your bottle and recycle it. Then color it to your choosing. Starting at the bottom cut edge, snip around and around from the bottom to the top to create a spiral. Stop when you get to the smooth, rounded shoulders of the bottle by the lid. When you're done, head out to the yard and find a slender tree branch to hang them from. Thank you for watching. I hope you will go and pick up your own craft from the Carmel Clay Public Library. Happy crafting!